Today, I would like to explain certain important points about the partnership. So, the students, you need to understand these points before attempting the sums of partnership. The first point, which is regarding profit and loss sharing ratio. If partnership deed is saying something, accept that, follow that. That rule will be applied. But if partnership deed is silent about the PL sharing ratio, then it is to be treated as equal ratio. Second, interest on capital. The capital invested by the partners, interest on that is paid by the firm. If rate is given in the partnership deed, it is to be followed. Otherwise, no interest on capital is to be provided. Similarly, interest on drawings, the amount given by the firm to the partners. Firm can also charge the interest on that drawing. If the rate is decided in the partnership deed, in the agreement, then that rate will be followed. But if this is not given, then no interest on drawing is to be allowed. So, similarly, the fourth point, interest on partner's loan. If a partner has given the loan to the firm, here if rate is decided, rate of interest is decided among the partners, between the partners, then that rate is to be followed. If not given, then Indian Partnership Act 1932 comes into the picture. According to that, the interest at the rate of 6% per annum is to be provided to that partner who is providing the loan to the firm. Similarly, next basic point is salary. If salary is to be given to a partner for doing certain work for the firm, then that amount is to be given as per the agreement in the partnership deed. But if this is not given in the partnership deed, then no salary is to be allowed to the partner. Similarly, remuneration, same rule is there. If amount is to be given as a remuneration to the partner, then check the partnership deed. If it mentions, then this is to be given. If it is silent, then nothing is to be given. Means Indian Partnership Act 1932 does not permit any interest, any remuneration to the partner. This is all about certain basic points of the partnership. Thank you.